Thailand, a country that feels like it was designed by nature and history to take your breath away. Picture vibrant cities buzzing with life, islands that look like they were pulled straight from a dream, ancient ruins that whisper stories of the past, and lush mountains where culture and nature collide. It's no wonder Thailand is one of the most beloved destinations in the world. In this video, we're taking you on a journey to 5 incredible places in Thailand. Places so stunning they almost feel unreal. And because we know planning a trip can be overwhelming, we'll also share how to get to each destination and highlight the best accommodations so you can make your dream trip a reality. If you're ready to be amazed, let's dive into the magic of Thailand together. We begin our journey in Bangkok, Thailand's buzzing capital city that seamlessly blends modern energy with deep-rooted traditions. Bangkok is a city of extremes. Skyscrapers stretch toward the clouds while monks in orange robes walk silently to ancient temples. One of the city's most iconic spots is the Grand Palace, a dazzling complex of golden buildings that has stood for over 200 years. Within its walls lies the Temple of the Emerald Buddha, a sacred site and masterpiece of Thai art. Walking through the palace grounds feels like stepping into a world of kings and legends. But Bangkok isn't all about tradition. It's also a hub of bustling markets, vibrant food scenes, and endless shopping. The Chatuchak Weekend Market is a must-visit, offering over 15,000 stalls of everything you can imagine, from delicious street food to handmade crafts and antiques. And when the day turns to night, Bangkok's energy reaches its peak. The city's nightlife is legendary, with buzzing streets like Khao San Road, where travelers from around the world come to celebrate. For a quieter moment, visit the Mahanakhon Skywalk, where the city lights stretch endlessly below your feet. Bangkok is more than a city. It's an experience, a place where the past and future collide in the most incredible way. From the city to the sea, our next destination takes us to the world-famous Phi Phi Islands in the Andaman Sea. These islands are a tropical paradise with stunning limestone cliffs, turquoise waters, and golden sands that look almost too perfect to be real. The most famous spot here is Maya Bay, made iconic by the film The Beach. Surrounded by towering cliffs, this secluded bay offers calm, crystal-clear waters and soft white sand, making it feel like you've stumbled upon a hidden piece of heaven. But Phi Phi isn't just about what you see above the water. It's also a paradise below the surface. The islands are home to some of Thailand's best snorkeling and diving spots. Swim among colourful coral reefs, encounter sea turtles gliding gracefully, and marvel at vibrant schools of tropical fish. When you're done exploring the waters, unwind on the beaches or watch the sunset from Lo Dalam Bay, where the sky is painted in gold and orange as the day comes to a peaceful close. The Phi Phi Islands are nature's masterpiece, a place that will leave you in awe of its beauty and serenity. To reach the Phi Phi Islands, you'll need to start from Phuket or Krabi. From either city, take a ferry or speedboat to Tonsai Pier on Phi Phi Don. The boat ride takes about 1.5 to 2 hours and offers stunning views along the way. Heading north, we arrive in Chiang Mai, a city surrounded by mountains and filled with ancient culture, spirituality, and natural beauty. Known as the cultural heart of Thailand, Chiang Mai offers a slower, more peaceful pace, making it a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle. One of the city's highlights is the sacred Wat Phra That Doi Suthep, a temple perched high on a mountain. To reach it, you'll climb a staircase of over 300 steps, lined with statues of Naga serpents. At the top, you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of Chiang Mai and a chance to admire the golden stupa that glimmers in the sunlight. Chiang Mai is also known for its connection to Thailand's gentle giants, elephants. Visit one of the ethical elephant sanctuaries to see these incredible animals living freely and happily in their natural habitat. Feed them, walk beside them, and learn about their care and importance to Thai culture. If you're lucky enough to visit during the Yipeng Lantern Festival, you'll witness one of the most magical sights in the world. Thousands of glowing lanterns float into the night sky, creating a dreamlike moment that you'll remember forever. In Chiang Mai, every step feels like a journey through history, nature, and tradition. It's a place that touches the heart and soul. Chiang Mai is easy to access from Bangkok or other major cities like Phuket and Krabi. You can take an overnight train, a bus about 10-12 hours, or a quick domestic flight, around 1 hour. Once in Chiang Mai, tuk-tuks, taxis, and bicycles are the best ways to explore. Our fourth stop takes us to the Similan Islands, a group of stunning, untouched islands in the Andaman Sea. This remote archipelago is a hidden treasure, famous for its pristine beaches and vibrant underwater life. The Similan Islands are a dream come true for divers and snorkelers. Beneath the clear blue waters, you'll discover some of the best diving spots in the world. Swim among massive coral reefs, watch graceful manta rays glide by, and spot sea turtles as they move through their ocean home. The marine life here is so colourful and abundant, it feels like you're exploring an underwater wonderland. Above the water, the islands are just as magical. Picture white sandy beaches with no crowds, surrounded by lush jungles and turquoise lagoons. Hike to one of the island's viewpoints and you'll be rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views that seem straight out of a postcard. If you're looking for a destination that feels untouched and pristine, the Similan Islands offer the perfect blend of adventure and serenity. The Similan Islands can be reached from Phuket or Khao Lak. From either location, travel to Thaplammu Pier near Khao Lak and take a speedboat or ferry to the islands. Day trips are most common, but overnight tours are also available. For our final destination, we travel back in time to Ayutthaya, an ancient city that was once the capital of the Kingdom of Siam. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a place of history, mystery, and breathtaking beauty, where ruins of old temples and palaces tell the stories of a glorious past. One of the most iconic sites in Ayutthaya is Wat Mahathat, where the head of a stone Buddha lies entwined in the roots of a tree. This haunting yet peaceful image has become a symbol of the city and its timeless beauty. Ayutthaya is filled with majestic ruins, like the towering chetties of Wat Frasi Sanfet, once the royal temple. As you walk among the crumbling stone structures and statues of Buddha, it's easy to imagine what this city was like centuries ago, bustling with life and culture. The best way to explore Ayutthaya is by bike or boat, allowing you to take in its grandeur at your own pace. And as the sun sets, the golden light illuminates the ruins, turning them into a magical and unforgettable sight. Ayutthaya is not just a place to visit, it's a journey through time, offering a glimpse into Thailand's rich history and heritage. Ayutthaya is just a short journey from Bangkok. Take a train from Bangkok's Hua Lamphong station or a bus minivan from Mochit bus terminal. For a more scenic journey, hop on a river cruise along the Chao Phraya River. Now that we've explored these unreal places in Thailand, you might be wondering, where should I stay to make the most out of my trip? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here are some top accommodation recommendations, whether you're seeking luxury or traveling on a budget. Let's dive in. For a luxurious stay in Bangkok, the Mandarin Oriental Bangkok offers timeless elegance along the Chao Phraya River. With beautifully designed rooms, a world-class spa, and fine riverside dining, it's the perfect spot to unwind after a day exploring the city. If you're on a budget, Lub D Bangkok Siam is a modern, affordable hostel located next to the BTS SkyTrain station. Its clean, vibrant atmosphere and convenient location make it an excellent choice for budget-conscious travellers. In the stunning Phi Phi Islands, Phi Phi Island Village is ideal for those seeking luxury. This resort offers beachfront bungalows, lush gardens, an infinity pool, and activities like snorkeling and diving for an unforgettable island experience. In the cultural hub of Chiang Mai, 137 Pillars House Chiang Mai is a boutique hotel that combines colonial charm with modern luxury. With spacious suites, a serene garden pool, and exceptional dining, it's a tranquil retreat for a luxurious getaway. For a more affordable option, Green Tiger House is a cozy, eco-friendly hotel in the Old City. Its peaceful vibe, comfortable rooms, and plant-based cafe make it a fantastic choice for exploring Chiang Mai without breaking the bank. To explore the Similan Islands, the Sarojan in Khao Lak offers a luxurious escape with elegantly designed rooms, a beachfront setting, and personalized experiences like private excursions and spa treatments. For a luxurious stay in Ayutthaya, Sala Ayutthaya stands out with its riverside location, artistic design, and stunning views of the ancient temples. The modern rooms and infinity pool add an extra touch of relaxation to your visit. On a budget, Ban Thai House offers charming Thai-style villas surrounded by lush gardens. It's affordable, peaceful, and close to Ayutthaya's historical treasures. Now, let's talk about how much it costs to get to Thailand. Depending on where you're flying from, Thailand remains an affordable destination with plenty of flight options. From North America, round-trip flights typically range from $600 to $1,200, depending on the season. Major airlines fly into Bangkok regularly. From Europe, round-trip flights are usually between $500 and $900, with affordable options from cities like London, Paris, and Frankfurt. From Asia, if you're coming from neighboring countries like Vietnam, Singapore, or Malaysia, flights can cost as low as $50 to $150 one way. From Australia, flights from Sydney or Melbourne average between $400 to $900 round trip. From Africa or the Middle East, flights range between $500 and $1,000, with layovers in the hubs like Doha or Dubai. No matter where you're coming from, Bangkok's Suvarnabhumi International Airport is your main gateway to exploring Thailand. From the modern energy of Bangkok to the ancient wonders of Ayutthaya, Thailand is a country full of unreal beauty, culture, and adventure. These 5 destinations only scratch the surface of what this incredible place has to offer. Which of these spots would you like to visit first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel adventures around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.